Hi guys out there in YouTube land, Chibi here, and I just wanted to make a quick video to let you know the sound on my computer has decided to not record anymore. I can hear and I can watch videos and I can do everything, but when I go to record, the sound doesn't record. So until I can figure this out, I'm stuck with my cell phone and my camera, who every time I upload I end up sounding like a robot monster. So I'm really not sure what's gonna happen. I just wanted to let you know, if you don't see videos for a while, that might be why. Sorry. Bye.